Hey guys, so the delivery driver just finally showed up with my new Connor Hats hat. Let's check it out, unboxing, and we'll see how it is. First off, box, not too much damage, very lightweight. Let's see what all goes into it. This is the first time I'm seeing the Connor hat, as well as you. It's the company is Connor Hats. Previously, BC Hats. It's an Australian hat company. Do handmade hats, and let's check it out. First time seeing it with you. Let's get right into it. First off, tissue paper. Wow, look at that. Extremely lightweight. So this is my first look at the hat, as well as yours. It's an extremely dark brown. This one's made from buffalo leather, and right now this is simply first looks and unboxing. We'll do a full review later. We'll check it out completely. Extra large. I got a big head. Inside, Kangaroo crossings. That's the hat I ordered from Connor Hats. Very soft, very pliable. Okay, cool beans. Let's cut this string off. We'll try it on. See if she fits. Pretty big. Fits my head nice. Okay. That's the new hat. Handmade. We'll do reviews later. But just wanted to get this unboxing in, see how they package everything. And we'll go through details in a little bit. Check it out. Check out the rest of the video or the next video or however I do this for how this actually comes out. But this is very nice. It smells like leather. Okay, decently flat bill to start with. A little bit of a curve. This is all hand stitched, handmade. We'll check out details in a bit. What do you think? Okay, so from looking at the hat from the straight front, this is the current layout of it. A little bit crooked and cattywampus here. Gives a little bit of character and style. We'll have to shape that later. Not exactly completely circular. It has its little individual markings and whatnot on it here. But there's your close look. This is straight on from the front. We'll have to play with it a little bit, get it to shape how I want it. On the inside, Kangaroo crossing, genuine buffalo hide, weather resistant. Got the little thingamajigs here to tie on. Tie on a chin strap. Come on, focus. There we are. Connor Hats tag. And I'm going to set you down. Here we go. Connor handmade hats. Got an XL. Stitching. This is it's not exactly stretchy, but sort of the stretchy material here. There we are. Flip it over, handmade stitching. There's your close look. Inside the box, cardboard hole cut out. Had some tissue paper that was stuffed, or that was covering the hat. Had a little tag that was connected to the hat. and 2 styrofoam stickers. These are for what I assume to be, if the hat's too big, you can customize the shape a little bit on the inside and make it fit your head better. This thing right here, you can check that out. Designed in Byron Bay, Australia by the Connor family. There we go, that's the tag. There's the box. Alright, so for an initial review, I've had the hat a couple hours now, and so I can give you general feel of it. I'm going to have a better, more updated review, separate video, but this is an initial look at it here. So the hat, I've been wearing it non-stop. It's like 90 degrees and humid, so this is basically as hot as this planet gets today. It's soft, super lightweight. I've been playing with shaping it a little bit. I want these slightly up, this slightly down, and this is your, check it out. Left, right, up, down. You know, you can see how it fits. I have a huge head. And so I got an XL size. Mine's, my head's like 24 inches, give or take. And so I got an XL size, and it's still fitting. It fits nice on the loose side. So if I wanted to, I don't think I'm going to. I like how it fits currently. It's comfortable. But I got those 2 little foam pieces I could put underneath the tab here and tighten it up a little bit if I see fit. But in general sense, you know, maybe I would have liked the color a little bit more brown than black, since the option for color is brown. For hat quality though, it does not have a wire brim. This is straight up leather, and then maybe like a piece of cloth or something covering the edge of the brim so it doesn't fray and wear and whatnot. No wire brim, so shaping it, you're sort of over time moving it and molding it as you see fit. And leather is sort of like a new pair of boots. You gotta wear them in a little bit, and they'll eventually form to you. So quality hat, all that stuff, is a little bit crooked, yeah. But that's number one, handmade, not in a factory. It's not machine done, so everything's all perfect. It does have its imperfections. That gives character. But other than that, I mean, quality, it's better quality than I expected. It's a nice handmade hat. Now, all that being said, so quality, thumbs up. Shipping, communication with company, so I ordered it. I finally got it today after 10 days. So, and this was an in-stock item. So I ordered it after 4 days, and they haven't even put a shipping label on it yet. Haven't done anything with it yet. After 4 days, I messaged the company. And after that day 4, the night of day 4, they finally made a shipping label for it. Day 5, they eventually took it to a UPS location to have UPS take over from there. 2 days later, after that, so this is what, day 4, 5, 6, 7 or so, they replied to my email. I emailed on day 4. 2-3 days later, they replied to my email saying that they were hit with a lot of customers all at once. They were busy. They apologized, and they sent me a tracking number in case I wanted to check with UPS as to where the hat was. So after that, yada yada. So the hat went from like Idaho to Colorado, went to Utah, went all over the United States to eventually work its way over to me. So, yeah, took a long time, 10 days after I hit order. Now that's 10 full days. I ordered at midnight, so they, midnight. So I'm counting days, not in like working days, working hours. I'm talking like full 24-hour periods. And I finally got it today. So shipping communication could be better. I coulda, shoulda got this in 3 days, 3, 4, not 10. They need to step their game up as far as that's concerned. However, now that I have the hat, after it took forever, I am happy with it. I'd get from them again. This is nice. If I had a different hat I was looking for, I wanted an all-in-all overall adventure hat. And adventure hat, I have the ball caps. I got the cowboy hats. I wanted something that screams, this dude goes on adventures. And I have my, Indiana Jones hat and stuff. I have another review on that on the channel. I'm pretty sure it's from probably a decade ago, but it's on here somewhere. But that's, Indy Jones. I want me. So I was looking and I figured a handmade leather, real deal Australian style hat, Outback style Australian hat would work for me. So that's what I chose, and so that's why I went with this hat. I looked at all the different options of a whole bunch of different companies that does this style hat, and this one looked the nicest in the pictures online. And I wanted it to be handmade. I don't want the same hat as a million other people. I wanted a one in the world. This is my hat. So all the imperfections and all that, this is my hat. So pretty happy with it. And I'll be shaping it over time to how I would like it to look. It's a little bit flimsy floppy as far as the shape is concerned. It was probably flat bill in the box for who knows how long, however many different states, temperature changes, yada yada. But I've been working with it today a little bit, playing with it, and we're gonna get it shaped to how I like it. It's hot, it's humid, it's whatever, and so I'm actually wearing it now. Being in the sun, this is so compared to my Indy hat, the crown is a bit shorter, and the brim is a bit wider than my Indiana Jones hat, slightly. So with that being said, it is actually a little bit lighter weight than my Indiana Jones hat, which is nice. This thing, so with the wider brim, comes with a little bit more sun protection. Now it's hot as can be. I was sweating in this thing. But it's lightweight, so that helps keep it cool a little bit, and it helps keep the sun off your face a little bit. At the same time, looks cool. Looks like that guy goes on adventures, and that's what I wanted. So this is a winner. Connor hats. That's formerly BC hats. BC hat was the current owner's dad. Switched owners to his son. Now it's just simply Connor hats. And this is the Kangaroo Crossings Outback style hat with buffalo leather. It has a series of numbers in its name, and I'm going to put that in the description or something somewhere so you can actually look if you like the exact same hat. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm just giving an honest review of from a customer here. So take that as you will. I do like it. I do wish coloring was a little bit different. This is a bit dark for my personal taste, but it is what it is. I do like it. This will be my going forward adventure hat that you're going to see me going on all my adventures with on the channel here. So this is my winner. I'm keeping it. I like it, and then we'll go from there. If you want to see more reviews, more actually going on adventures, if you want to learn some stuff, come hang out with different trips or whatever, be sure to give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe with the bell on. That way it actually lets you know whenever I upload something. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this hat. Would you buy this hat? Do you like the style of the hat? Give me your honest thoughts and opinions on this hat. Or if you have a better hat that you have, let me know about it. Let me know who made it. Let me know where you got it. And can it compare with a handmade hat? Buffalo leather. This thing's waterproof and it'll last a million years. Will yours? We'll see. But yeah, I think I'm just rambling at this point. So it's about all I got for today. I just wanted the initial review. And like I said, coming up eventually here, we'll be doing a more in-depth review once I break it in. We'll have to take it somewhere, do something, and check out the hat. This was this video for unboxing and just initial. What are my thoughts? My thoughts is I like it. Super smooth, super soft, lightweight, and we'll be just working with it here. That's all I got. Subscribe to the channel, BearStone Adventures, and I will see you guys on the next one. Later, guys. And by the way, Connor Hat's crew, if you guys ever see this video, feel free to reach out to me, comment below, whatever. Maybe we can work together someday. Hit me up. See you guys later.